Some of my favorite decor is from the dollar store. Hi Rachel, my name is Annika and I'm the creator behind the DIY and home decor page Blonde Designs. I used to be under the impression that in order to decorate your home and create a space that you love, you had to have a lot of money. And I realized that that's simply not the case. Sometimes it just requires thinking outside the box and finding unique ways to use things. Even now, some of my favorite decor is from the thrift store, from garage sales, or from the dollar store. I try to share projects that are easy, inexpensive, and accessible, and today I want to share a few of my favorite DIY projects that you can do at home. This is probably my favorite DIY discovery ever, that temporary tattoos aren't just for your skin. You can actually put them on other surfaces. You can use temporary tattoos on glass or ceramic, and you just apply them like you would to your skin with water and a sponge. Leave it like this, it is temporary, so you can always change it up later if you decide you want something new, or you can seal it with something like Mod Podge and it'll stay like this forever. I've always dreamed of having colorful tile in my kitchen, but I rent, so that's not really an option. And even if you don't rent, tile can be really expensive. So here's one of my favorite ways to do tile on a budget. All you need are these stick-on tile squares that you can get online or at the dollar store, and your favorite paint color. Then you go ahead and paint straight on the fake tile. But the key to making this look realistic is adding fake grout in the middle. So after you're done painting, go in with white paint and add the detail into the cracks to make it look like realistic tile. You can just let it dry, stick it straight onto your wall, and you're done. Here's a dollar store DIY that is so simple and customizable to anybody's style. We're gonna take this very simple metal napkin holder from the dollar store and transform it into an adorable wall shelf that you can style magazines on, or vinyl records, or books. To do this, all you're gonna need is your metal napkin holder and some yarn, and whatever color you wanna start with, you're gonna tie that off at the end and cut off any excess yarn. Then just wrap the yarn around this front piece until you get to the other side. I also wrap the yarn all the way around the bottom piece so that there's no metal showing, and then tie it off. And you're left with these adorable little arches that you can put on your wall or use as bookends.